Hello everybody! Today is the day of Arugula Pesto, the fizziest of your life. So, what do you need? You need fresh arugula, already washed, spaghetti, no, those are linguine, okay? Linguine, 200 grams, like 2 people, 2 portion, 200 grams. My portion is usually more than 100, but you know, I need to be on diet. So, what do you need? Arugula, and you can choose pine nuts, walnuts, or you can use both at the same time. Then you will need butter, fresh butter, and extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of salt, and of course you need the water to boil the pasta. So now what else you need? You need an immersion blender to do it, and maybe a nice spatula. Will be so fast and fizzy for everybody. Let's go. So let's we have 100 grams of arugula. You can put it in a blender glass. So I will use both pine nuts and walnuts. So pine nuts are sweeter than walnuts, but I love a little bit of taste of bitter, so I add both. And what else? A little bit of salt and olive oil. Yeah, not too much olive oil, cause walnuts and pine nuts are fat. Okay, so it's time to do our pesto. Oh yes. Yes. Oh. Let's clean the blades. Do it again. Okay, it's ready. Guys, I love this sound. Oh yes! I never used to watch the timer. I love to taste it, so I stir it and I see when the pasta start to change color and start to become lighter than the beginning. I think it's ready. So our pasta is ready. The pesto is in the bowl. I'm gonna add butter. Shh. Don't say bad words. Look at the magic. The pasta start to change color, and look at that. It's very cheap, it's very easy, and it's very fast, and it's very good. So stir it until the butter is melted, and then it's ready to eat. 1 and 2. Ready to go. Buon appetito! Oh yes. No other words. The pine nuts are so crunchy. I love it. And it's very fast, easy, tasty. So good, amore.